Corner house, two side road, east facing, parking space. Just imagine how much you park in more than 120 feet space. This is our covered car parking. Over here is our two-wheeler parking with proper side as per authority. From here we are moving inside this house. This is our huge living space and dining space with our mandir aligned in northeast direction of this house. This is the full view what we covered. As we reach in the southeast direction of this house, here is our kitchen. All modular, chimney, chula, microwave, oven, fridge. तुम जो बोलो सब है यहाँ पे. Moving to the ground floor bedroom. Before that, this is our common powder room over here. From here, we are moving to the ground floor bedroom. Look at all the headrests and there's the full light cabinets. This is our attached washroom of this bedroom. From this bedroom, we are moving back to the family space, and from here, we are moving upstairs. Before upstairs, this is the whole window from where proper sunlight will be coming into this house. This is the full view from stairs. As we reach on the first floor, here is our second family space, which is here. This is our second bedroom of this house. Look at all the work on the headrest, on TV cabinets, everywhere. Moving to the walk-in closet of this bedroom, which is here, and this is our attached washroom. From here, we are here again on the first floor. This is our family space, and from here we are moving to the third bedroom of this house, which is over here. Look at this beautiful TV cabinet, this walk-in closet, and this attached washroom. From all of this, we are moving again to this bedroom. From here, there is also access of this balcony. This is very long. I'm telling you, when you visit here, you can see the whole view of the colony. As this is a corner house. So, this is the third bedroom, east facing house. Moving to the second floor of this house, and as we reach on the second floor, this is again our family come living space on the second floor. This is our fourth bedroom on the second floor. This is our TV cabinet, all curves, edges, beautifully crafted. This is its attached washroom, walk-in closet. Moving to the family space. From here we are moving outside this open space gazebo. What you saw is east facing house, corner house. Interested? Call us. Till then, keep watching. Bye.